While dividing a fraction by another one, we change the division sign into multiplication and invert the next fraction. So why we do this? It can be understood in many ways, but we shall look at the process through one way which is much more easier. But why we are choosing easier? Because we are lazier. So let's say there are 5 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. We can also write it in this way. Now look how critical it looks. Here we have two fractions. One is here and another is here. So we don't want this type of fraction. So we want to remove this. Then it must be multiplied by 2 by 1 so that we can cancel out this 2 and this 2. And then we can get only 1 here. But multiplying only 1 by 2 by 1 can change the value of this fraction. But always remember, we can't change the value. We can change only its form. Like we can write 4 as 2 plus 2, but we can't write 4 as 2 plus 2 plus 1. So now we shall do something so that the value does not change and 1 by 2 must not be there. We know if we multiply denominator and numerator by the same number, then the value of the fraction does not change. For example, we have 3 by 5. If we multiply 5 by 2 and 3 by 2, then the value of 3 by 5 and 6 by 10 remains the same. So we can do this. Now as it looks critical, we want this to be removed. So we multiply by 2 by 1 so that we can cancel out this 2 and this 2. Then we have to multiply this fraction also by the same number, means 2 by 1, so that the value remains the same. Now here the value of this and this are same. Now we know if we don't write 1 below here, there will be no problem. So we can write it as 4 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 1. Now here every single line has the same value. Now look only this line and this line and observe. It is like we just change the division sign into multiplication and invert the next fraction. So now we see how this process works. We can't understand just because we eliminate these steps and write directly. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.